This guy is what I am seeing a ton of, channel catfish. I've been fishing for hours trying to find a brown bullhead or walleye, and I'm catching just tons of these guys. Ah, channel catfish. Get me. Yep. What kind of bullhead are you? Ah, you're a black. You're a black bullhead. You're not the right kind. Darn. There you go. Alright. Nah, you're black. There you go. Pumpkin seed. Hi, buddy. You're beautiful. Pumpkin seed. Hey, buddy. Oh, okay. Ah. Whoa. Hey. Channel catfish. They're everywhere. Go. One more fish. That's it. One more fish. And if it's not a brown bullhead or a walleye, I'm moving. That's it. Tired of this. One more fish. Caught so many different things, which is awesome. But channel catfish is what I need. Got bluegill, pumpkin seed, green sunfish, channel catfish, black bullhead. There we go. Ah! Channel catfish. All right, we're moving. That's enough of this. All right, let's move. This is insane. There it is.
Oh, is this it?
That's it.
Oh, the Holy Grail! Oh, yes! You'll have to go on eBay and look at the completed items to see how much I paid for this.
Yeah, man.
Did you sign it?
No, but here, I put the $20 to good use because you guys took, here's a $10 gift card to Quick Trip.
Thank you, Quick Trip, for the 4 a.m. T-Fish.
Yeah, here's one for my other
Justin, for the
buddy.
driver. Oh, man. Well, I'm not going to use this in the rock piles. I'll lose it.
No, that would
we're
be
gonna catch
idea.
We're gonna catch a baby trout with this.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, there you go. Got a circle hook on there? Or?
Yeah, circle hook. That's not a white crappie.
It's a species, man, so we're not taking any risks. I got my little Timu net.
Yeah, Timu. I'm guessing this is a pike. Oh, catfish.
Little channel.
Hey.
Gonna get a little footage of him.
Oh yeah, you got it. Oh good, circle hook for the win. Nice, buddy. Bye, cat. Oh, that was a bite. It's not huge, so maybe. Well, now he's fighting. Ah, it's a cat. Nah, this will be fine. Oh, it is a pretty good one. Jeez. I should have done this. I should have like tracked what I caught the most of in this tournament, because I think it might be channel cats right now. Yeah, what do we got? What do we got?
What do we got? Get the Timu net.
What do we got? Put my hat on so I can be totally dialed in.
It's gotta be a channel cat.
Coming up. Hey, buddy. Oh, there's the basket. Hey!
Hey!
Oh, channel cat! Kevin's like, let's leave. The fish said no.
Right in the corner of the mouth?
That's perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, there he is.
That's a pretty one too. Like he's not beat up or anything. He has all his whiskers still. Good job, buddy.
There you go. All right, back to the drink.
Hi.
Fish on!
Howdy, B. Kevin. Let's
Will
get
the
this.
skunk be put to rest? I don't want to cross your line there.
There, if you saw a tail.
Sawtail.
I saw something. It's a fish.
Oh, he came off.
Ah, no!
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 No, we need the Jordan cry face.
We keep talking about leaving, and every time we say anything about leaving, we get a fish on. And there we go. Here's another.
Here's another.
Dude, that might be the longest one of the day.
Yeah, there he is.
Pretty. Look at that. When they get real big, hey buddy, how's it going? They lose those spots. Oh, he's done it. That's so cool. All right, we'll let you go. Thanks for telling us your stories. Yes, on. Yes, on. What we got? Oh, golden red horse. Okay, you can go ahead. You're good. Oh, golden red horse. Darn it. Oh, whoa. Well, where there's a golden, there's got to be a white, right? Gosh. Now we got that a couple times. Look at you, buddy. There he goes. I like you mean it. Yep. Looks like catfish. Oh wait. Oh, it's a bullhead. Is this a brown or a yellow? I think it's a yellow. We gotta check this out. I think I caught another yellow. Cause look at those whiskers on the bottom. It does look a little bit splotchy, but I think the tail is straight. It stinks, man. There you go. Darn it. Ooh, on. All right, we're recording. Let's hope it's a walleye. Oh my God, you again. Yep, you again. You just crushed this. Oh, that was cool, but